All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in Nevada today. I'm at the Lake Mead recreation area. See, I've got my truck, got my trike out, my trailer is parked. I'm at a campground on Lake Mead. It's very near Las Vegas and the Hoover Dam. There's also supposed to be a very nice rail trail close by, so I'm going to see if I can find it and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, yeah, so I'm riding out of the campground and I think I saw the beginning of this trail, or at least a trailhead, when I was driving in yesterday. Let's do it. Yeah, that's kind of nice, isn't it? Having a rail trail. We'll see where this goes. So I just learned that the trail I'm on, you can take it all the way into Las Vegas. It goes about 35 miles. And so far, there's been quite a bit of climbing. Like 5-6% grade. And so I guess the way up will be a bit of a climb. And then of course the way down, that's gonna be fun. So yeah, we're just gonna continue on. Oh, look at that. It's already 82 degrees. Oops, just changed to 83. Yeah, it's going to be a warm day, but that's really nothing for this area. All right, so apparently the trail that I am on will hook up with another trail, the railroad trail. And that trail I should be able to take pretty close to Hoover Dam. Yeah, beautiful trail here. Unpaved, but very, very smooth. And it seems to be gradually going up, a little bit of a climb. But pretty nice view up here too. Yeah, here we are. We're looking down on Lake Mead Marina, I don't know if that's what it's called, but it certainly is where we are. And these little islands and all the mountains around the lake. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, Hoover Dam Security Zone. Property boundary, entering Bureau of Reclamation property. No firearms. Okay, so we're gonna put it in a lower gear here and see if we can't get up this trail. So I took the stairs instead of this zigzag ramp, but it actually looks pretty cool, doesn't it? So almost at the top now. Yeah, this bridge is the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Mike O'Callahan was governor of Nevada. Pat Tillman was a football player, and they both served in the military and both died in 2004. So this is kind of a walking tour, and you can read interpretive signs talking about the design and construction and history of Hoover Dam and the bypass corridor, the bridge, the walkway bridge. So I'm actually walking in Arizona now, and it's quite bright, a little bit windy up here. And I think this is about as far as I'm going to go. We've got some markers. So here we are at the Arizona-Nevada state line on US 93, Hoover Dam Bypass Project. I guess it finished in 2010. So yeah, walk in Arizona a little bit. So here are some bridge facts. All right, walking back into Nevada, Battleborn. It's kind of a secret little stairwell here. And Myrtle, safe and sound, just where I left her, locked to the railing. Always a nice sight. Back out on the trail. We got lots of people here doing a tour. We're going to go through the tunnels with the stick. It's really fun to go through these railroad tunnels. Pitch black in here. Back into the light. And the view of Lake Mead. Tunnel number 2. This is a little shorty. Hi. That guy, he's like, I want one of those. I'm like, yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. It's so funny to see the 3 tracks, my tires from when I was coming up this trail. All right, you guys, I am at the Lake Mead Visitor Center, and look who I found. This is Cliff Green, who is also riding a Scorpion, and it looks like he's got a buffet on the front.
It's a Soy Mead brand, a knockoff. It's what is that thing anyway?
Or Tongchang, or
Tongchang, yeah, I mean
something Chinese.
Geospade.
Geospade.
Kind of an interesting name.
Okay. All right, everybody. So I am with Cliff Green on his Scorpion, and he has decided to escort me, show me around, and we're on the River Mountain Loop Trail. We're going to the, where are we going?
So we're going up to Bootleg Canyon, and it's the high point of the trail, I mean, in terms of elevation and so forth. And we're going up here, and I'm showing Sylvia this climb. We're doing about it's right around a 7-mile climb up there, about 1,600 feet elevation gain.
So there's a very special sculpture. The whole point of taking this route was to find this very special sculpture that a couple friends told me I had to go see and get a photo of. And look at this rabbit. Oh, that is so cool. It's huge, right? Oh my gosh, look at this. We have a scorpion. Okay, so we're gonna go in here, get the trike closer. The scorpion needs a picture with the scorpion. Here we are, and this is a nature preserve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, with sculptures.
With sculptures, all the different desert, the things that you might run across in the desert, and
Rabbits, scorpions.
scorpions.
How's it going? So two turtles bonding here above Lake Mead. And down we go.
Watch the turn.
I'm going to have a screaming downhill the entire way back to my campsite. It is going to go fast. Fast, fast, fast. All right, take care.
Be well.
Love it, love it. Take care, Cliff.
You too.
All right, well, that was certainly fun. Now I got to find my way back, which just going to follow the trail, right? So I've come all the way back to where I met Cliff, and the first time I passed this sign it was 83 degrees, and now it is 96, and that's probably just because there's cloud cover. Yeah, toasty, toasty, toasty. All right, everybody, so I'm coming to the end of this ride. I will have done 30 miles and over 2,000 feet of climbing on this ride, which was kind of a surprise. I didn't think I'd be riding as far or climbing as much. Great day, and oh, what a great surprise to run into Cliff at the visitor center. And I was in there to ask about the scorpion sculpture, which nobody knew where it was. Cliff knew, because of course he's riding an HP Scorpion, and so he escorted me there. We just had a great ride, and it was really quite fortunate to run into him. And then I went to Hoover Dam, walked up there. Again, just great trails. This area is super fun for cycling. I can definitely see spending more time during the winter here. This time of year, it's quite windy and hot. We saw that sign, it said 96 degrees. So yeah, it's pretty toasty, and the winds are blowing pretty strong. But I'm very happy I did this ride today and not tomorrow. The winds are supposed to be 30 miles an hour with gusts at 50. So tomorrow will definitely be a day to hunker down. But yeah, thanks for joining me. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And please stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time.